Really quickly, I know that you're gonna hear me talking over top of other voices. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is you're gonna go to share. So I've logged into PictoChart. I've opened up my pictograph. And here, you're gonna go to click to make this link public. And then you're gonna copy and paste this into a Google Doc. So I'm just going to hit here. And then you're going to submit that document. So when you submit that in, then I should be able to access it here. So I'm just going to close this and see if I can actually do that.
Number flip. Because I flipped the numbers one time.
And that should open it up there. Okay? So that's all you need to do in order to submit that in.